Guess what? We're up for a new adventure.
Yeah.
Yep.
We don't know what it is.
You sure you don't know?
Yes, and there's a couple of things that we know.
I got the
Starts with an A and city.
So is that a
What's
good
your
enough
guess?
clue?
Yeah, I know it.
What's your guess?
Market. I think it's New York City or Atlantic City or something else.
We'll see.
Or another city. So let's see.
We don't know. We'll see. Hey Waco, you have fun?
Yeah, we are having fun, and we just woke up to the next day. We are going on a board. Next day.
Hey guys, we forgot to do a clip of the hotel, but here's where we at, about ready to go. Just gonna swing by the boardwalk and
Back to.
back home. Hope you guys enjoy the little adventure we had. So, see you guys later. Bye.
Hi.
You had fun?
Yeah, we are going to the forest.
Hi, mommy. Had fun?
Yeah.
You ready? All pretty up? with the fam. Just enjoying the
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll find out. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Ready to eat?
Yeah. It took a long time.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna eat.
Just start with your choice of
You ready to eat some good food?
There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
What did you get?
I got white pasta and mashed potatoes.
How about you, Brianna?
I got spaghetti, corn, and nuts.
Wow.
And my dessert is ice cream sandwich.
You got ice cream? How about you, Eli? How about you got? What you got? Pasta?
Apple juice.
Whoa.
Look at the big golden human taking a bath.
How about you, Mommy?
Taking a bath.
What you got? Ginger ale.
Delicious.
How about me?
How about Daddy?
What did I get? I got the steak, shrimp, and
Yummy.
ribs, I think. Woohoo! And a Pepsi. Yeah, actually it's a Coke. No Pepsi for me. Okay.
Let's take it slow.
See
Where
you later,
you
guys.
go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
What's happening, guys? What's happening? What's happening? What is happening?
The animals are getting scared.
Oh, the animals are getting scared, guys. What's happening? Whoa, Eli, what's going on?
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
What you guys got there? Whoa, you guys got gummy worms?
We got one. Lots of them.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
We just finished our adventure from house to Atlantic City. From the house to Atlantic City. We ate at this place called
Rainforest Café.
Good
Rainforest
job.
Café. So I had the trio, which is the ribs, the steak, and shrimp. Mommy had the
I forgot what's the exact
aloha.
name. Oh yes, aloha,
salmon.
which is a salmon and with shrimp and rice and some side of
Vegetable.
vegetables,
Yeah.
and it was
So,
delicious.
I mean, this is our first time doing it on our page, that we're reviewing what we ate. So after a little adventure for Labor Day weekend, the food was great. The steak was good. Ribs was alright. But the shrimp was banging. That coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp.
Woo,
It
that was fire.
delicious.
Mommy enjoyed her meal.
Yeah, I had the I think it was like a honey glazed
Salmon?
salmon
Woo.
with a honey glazed like sauce on the side with on the shrimp. It was delicious.
And
it
the
was
kids,
bomb.
the BLE kids, what did you guys have?
What did you have, Ate?
Python pasta and mashed potatoes with oranges, which was not expected, and a tiny baby pizza. And
What do you have inside? Oh, the mashed potato.
and
What kind of sauce do you have in pasta?
marina sauce. Marina sauce.
Marinara.
Marinara. How about you, Brianna? What you
Oh.
have?
I had spaghetti
Uh-huh.
and
What's your side? Corn?
and I had milk for my drink,
Uh-huh.
and I had orange and tiny pizza.
How was it? How does it taste?
It tastes good.
Very good. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Would you go and
How about
order the same
me?
thing
How
again
about
next
Eli?
time?
Mommy, you forgot about Eli. What
no,
you had,
I
Eli?
didn't forget about you. I was just asking Ate something.
What
Silly
you
boy.
what you had, Eli?
What did you have?
What else? Pasta?
You have apple sauce. And what did you have to drink? Apple juice. Did you? What kind of fruit did you have? No, you had oranges. How did you like it? How did you like the food?
Good.
It was good. Would you eat it again?
Yeah.
How about you girls?
Would you guys eat that place again?
Yes.
Would you eat the same food, or would you
No,
get
I
the?
will order something different because the sauce of the spaghetti was a bit with the pepper. Yeah.
So it's a bit spicy.
But it's still delicious.
All right, so let's do the rating. A rate of 1 to 10. What do you say? 10 being good,
10.
and 1 being the worst. So was
Is it 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10?
10 and a half.
10 and a half?
half.
Is that good?
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, how about you?
How about you, Eli? 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
And
How about you, Brianna?
9 and a half.
9 and a half.
Okay.
How about you, mommy?
I would say a 9.
A 9. I mean, me, I would say it was about a 9, an 8 and a half. Food was great. Service was a little bad due to the fact that they're short-staffed.
That's why we just said a 9, but it could have been perfect.
It
to
could have been
10.
perfect. The surrounding was great for the family. Food was alright.
The wait was extremely
The wait
long.
was extremely super
It
long.
was like an hour wait, and then
Everybody was
almost like a half an hour to get your food. So as soon as the waiter was there, we already know what we're getting. We asked the waiter, we told the waiter, listen, this is what we want. We want this drink, and then we were ready to order the food, so we don't have to wait until the waiter come back.
But so out of overall, I would say 9, 9 and a half.
A 9. If the service was good,
Service was good.
if
They
the
would have
food
been
came,
better.
you know, like quickly as like a normal thing, then it could have been a 10. Maybe I'll give them a 10 and a half. But the food itself, it was banging. It was good. It was the bomb for me. It was delicious.
Yep. So until our next adventure, until the next restaurant. Again, this is something new for us in the BLE family page. We're gonna do an adventure and eat out, and then review what we ate, and end our video that way. So I guess you
guys should check it out.
Check it out.
There's-
Enjoy it.
I think there's one here in Atlantic City, and then there's another one somewhere in Jersey. I don't know, but I guess you guys just have
I think
to search
Edison,
it.
New Jersey.
Yes, Edison, but just search it. It's gonna say Rainforest Café, and it will give you locations.
All right, so that will be all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our little blog about the restaurant and our adventure.
subscribe to our channel and press the bell button
And what? What else? What else?
like.
Like, subscribe.
Subscribe, like, subscribe, press the subscribe button right there, and press the bell button to get more videos.
Again, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are mini adventure and a little blog about food restaurant review. Something new we're gonna do, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Thank
Bye.
you. Later.